जब बच्चे थे आई थिंक बड़े बनना चाहते थे, और अब जब बड़े हो गए हैं तो बच्चे बनना चाहते हैं. But I think there's a child very much alive in me even now. I don't think it was a risk, but yes, it did involve some amount of thinking, because you know I just don't have the maternal instinct in me yet. I'm sure every girl develops it when she has her own child, but that wasn't true for me. And it was playing mother to Mr. Bachchan. I was wondering how, I just couldn't conceive of it. But I think I bought into Balki's conviction, and I loved the story when he narrated it to me. And then it's been, once he struck the equations between all the characters, on the first day of shoot, I think it's been smooth sailing after that. Mr. Bachchan के किरदार का नाम सिर्फ औरो है. औरो is एक regular 13-year-old बच्चा who thinks that he knows everything, पर बड़ा प्यारा है. सब whoever comes across औरो just likes him. He's a very affable person, और उसकी माँ का वो lifeline है. I think it's a very special relationship. वो the mother and son are friends, पर माँ कभी अपने बच्चे की पूरी तरह से friend नहीं बन पाती. Maybe between a father and son that's possible, but माँ is still very protective and possessive about the child. So invariably, she's more a mother most of the time. But it's a nice equation. और औरो का एक special, he's a special child with a certain condition that he's dealing with. पर कहीं आपको फिल्म में उसकी तरफ sympathy या कुछ नज़र नहीं आएगा. There is a certain, yes, sensitivity, there is a certain care with which everyone interacts with him, but there is definitely no sympathy. Yeah, because काफ़ी बार होता ये है कि जब roles glamorous होते हैं तो उसमें और कुछ इसके अलावा कि आप अच्छे दिखें, उसमें करने को कुछ होता नहीं है. So the day someone gives me a role which is glamorous but where I have something to do, I'll happily do it.